Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to wash your lace and to restore your damaged lace wig. As you can see, the lace is quite dirty. It has glue that I used to glue the wig onto my head, but the hair itself is quite new and bouncy and still fresh. The second wig though that I have, the hair is quite a bit damaged. It has a bit of heat damage because I did straighten it quite a bit, and I've used this wig more than the other one. So I'm going to show you how to really get the shiny bounciness new wig back. Now granted, these two wigs are quite fresh and new. I have used the same method on severely damaged hair and it has worked for me. So if your hair is quite damaged, this will work for you. Now as you can see, I'm going to be using boiling hot water, and then I'm just going to add some shampoo to the water and mix it in with the water. You can use any kind of shampoo. If you don't have shampoo, you can use dishwashing soap. I'm just going to turn the wig inside out, and I'm going to dip the lace into the boiling hot water. As you can see, I'm really trying to dip the part that is dirty just to loosen up the glue so that I can clean it easily. Now I'm gonna leave this in for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I am back and better than ever. I'm just joking. So now I'm just checking if the glue is loose, or I don't know how to explain this, but if it's wet, if the glue is wet. And obviously the glue is not wet yet, so I'm gonna leave it in for more minutes. Okay, the glue is wet. So now I'm just gonna take a cloth and I'm just gonna rub off the excess glue off of the lace. Okay, it looks like I'm being rough, but I was actually being gentle. So don't be rough because you're gonna ruin your lace. Just do it gently. It is gonna take quite some time, so be patient. Okay, so now after that long process, this is just me, detangling the hair and just combing it out. And I'm just gonna rinse out the dirt with clean water after I detangle it. Okay, so y'all, I forgot to mention that I'm also washing the wig. So this is just me adding the shampoo to the hair, and then you're gonna see me rinse off the hair as well. This is how I wash my wigs, like, all the time. Okay, lovies, I know what you're thinking. Why is there a pot? So this is the part that is going to be crucial in you restoring your heat damaged hair. So just boil some water in a pot and then add some conditioner to the boiling water, then just stir it up a bit. Okay, I know this might seem strange, but it does work. It does work. I promise it works. And your pot will be clean afterwards when you wash it. So now I'm just adding the hair into the boiling water, and I'm going to leave it in there for about 10, no more than 15 minutes, okay? No more than 15 minutes. So you guys can see that water is dirty. Even though I did wash the hair prior to me conditioning it and putting it in this pot, there was still a lot of other dirt that needed to come out. So that was a bit helpful. And I put the same the other wig in the same pot, just because I wasn't about to start that whole process over again. So yeah. After you boil your wig, oh my gosh, that sounds weird, but yeah, after you boil your wig, you need to rinse out the excess conditioner. So that's what I'm doing right here in this clip. Okay, so guys, this is pretty much it. This is the whole process. This is all you need to do to get your wig fully restored from that heat damage. Okay, so if you guys want to see how the wig looks and all, you can watch it in my wig installation video. I will link that video in the description below. But for now, we are done here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Bye.